Up, guys? We're here in Sayville, New York, and we are doing a pop-up. Come set up with us today. Okay, so it took us about almost an hour, but we're done. And here is the setup. I will show you. Look at my mom. She's so awesome. We did it. And here is the final result. And I'm going to take some pictures.